Hey guys, Gunner here, and today we're going to do a Nerf review on the Mega rotofury. As you can see here, it has some nice color scheme. I put a scope on it so I can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you how far it shoots. I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm going to show you like another gun that's over there. And it's like just like this, but you know, it's a little better, a little worse actually. So, as you can see, this is fully loaded, and it's going, at least like, maybe 50 or 60 yards, if not more, so, yeah. So that was the Nerf rotofury, so now I have another gun over here that I'm going to show you guys, and, hopefully you'll like it. It's called the Nerf Magnus, and you pull it back to cock it, and pull it back to load it, and see it has no ammo, so I have to get one of these mega darts and load it in, and then all I have to do is go. Okay, guys, so that's how you work it, and then see you go. Maybe like 20 yards, if that, or less, yeah. So, those were the Nerf Magnus and the Nerf rotofury, and this was my personal favorite because you can just take it into a war and shoot it like rapid fire, so you can actually get some pretty good kills, well, shots, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to call it kills because I know there's going to be kids watching, so yeah. So that's about it. If you guys want more reviews on Nerf and stuff like that, I might even do some Boomco if I get any. So hopefully you guys like it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.